What is up, everybody? So this is gonna be a super short one because there's really not that much to talk about. As you know, if you are watching said video, well, that's gonna suck. You're never getting out of there. Okay, he just cut somebody off. But again, as you are watching this, you obviously know this is my YouTube channel. Ta-da! Fucking mind explosions, right? I have a Twitter, which if you don't know, if you don't know what it is, I'm definitely more active on there. I mean, I would be active on here if y'all want to leave, y'all, like I'm fucking Southern or something. If you all people want to leave comments or message me on here, I think you can still do that. I think there's still a message option. I will answer you. I will be your friend. Ooh, the pops. But obviously I have the YouTube, I have a Twitter, as I have said. I don't know if I should put these all on the screen. Maybe I'll put them on the screen. Maybe I'll put them down. They're either going to be on the screen or down in the description below. Either way. Dude, it is full on springtime here. Everyone's mowing the lawn. And I can't keep a train of thought. But I'm either going to put them right here on the picture, or I'm going to put them, they'll be all down in the description, or they're on the screen. So now I figured I'd be super social, and so I made a Instagram and a Facebook. So you should all follow me in all of the places and love all the stuff that I do, because you love me. Dude, what in the fuck are you doing? Left hand blinker, right hand blinker. Fucking yank it over. Push. Midlife crisis. This is my... I shouldn't say that as I'm riding a fucking sports bike. This is my young life crisis. But yeah, you should definitely like and follow all of my shit. Comment on it, and you should definitely like this video. I'm gonna be that guy right now. Like, subscribe, share, hit that little notification bell. But on that, since I'm talking about like my social media and blah 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 blah, if you have noticed, or if you watched multiple of my videos, I have no schedule. I don't really know if I should make a schedule because I'm not very good at keeping them. I don't really have the, how you say, my, dog in the back of that Jeep. I'm not very good at keeping schedules. It's one of those things that, like, I like everything to be sort of free flow. But anyways, so I'm asking you guys, would you like a schedule? If anyone actually watches this and answers me, or are you just okay with videos coming out when they do? Because I'm trying to do like 2 a week. I think that's a good number. It's not like flooding people with shit that they don't give a fuck about, or, you know, nothing, you know, like 1 a week, 1 every month or some shit, something like that. So I'm trying to do about 2 a week. Yeah, so, you know, comment down below, tell me what you want, tell me your thoughts and your opinions, and yell at me if you have to. I don't give a shit. Just talk to me. Just love me. I'm really not that sad. Yeah, so, you know, like, just subscribe, comment, let me know what your thoughts are. If you want to have an actual conversation with me, you know, either DM me on Twitter or just like at me, because I can easily talk there a lot faster than I can do it on, you know, on the YouTube checking comments and bullshit, and those get lost, and, you know. So yeah, just let me know what you thought. I may ignore them, and I may just go with how I feel. Hey, you never know. You could change my whole world with your opinion. Probably not. But anyways, see y'all later.